Welcome to Overview of Node Package Manager. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the purpose of a package manager, describe the two main aspects of Node Package Manager or NPM, describe the purpose of a package.json file, and compare and contrast a local NPM install to a global NPM install. When dealing with languages that use modules and packages, such as JavaScript, a tool called a package manager is usually needed. A package manager is a set of tools used to deal with modules and packages containing dependencies. Sometimes it is also referred to as a package management system. Now, dependencies are code usually in the form of libraries and packages that are called and reused in a program. So, for example, say you are developing a new module and you call a function contained in another module written by you, which calls another module written by someone else, which calls yet another module written by that third party. The module you are writing is dependent on all of those other modules. A library of code usually contains many dependencies, but the library is self-contained and isn't dependent on code outside of the library itself. Packages work the same. A package manager automates the process of finding, installing, upgrading, configuring, maintaining, and removing packages for a computer program. Package managers usually are connected to and maintain a database of dependencies and versioning information for the packages in a repository. The package manager ensures that a piece of software has the dependencies to run correctly and eliminates the need to do this work manually. Node Package Manager, usually abbreviated as NPM, is the default package manager for the Node.js runtime engine. NPM has two functions. First, it provides a command line interface that allows users to publish and download packages. Second, it behaves as an online repository of binary JavaScript packages. The repository is a database of packages that tracks versions of packages referenced in applications. All NPM packages require a file named package.json that should be located in the project's root directory. NPM uses the metadata in the package.json file to determine all of the dependencies in a package. This file contains the project's identifying metadata in the form of key-value pairs that, at a minimum, identify the name of the project and the project's version number. The code shown here displays an example of those two key-value pairs. There are two ways in which NPM can install packages, locally or globally. You will want to use the local install if you are installing a package you want to use within your application. Run the local install command from the directory you want the package installed in. The local install is NPM's default behavior. To install the Node modules package locally, use the NPM command line interface to enter npm install package name. This command creates a directory named Node modules with the package and its dependencies in your current working directory. Packages can also be installed globally. A global install means that all packages on the machine in which the package is installed can use that code. Global installs should be used judiciously because all projects on that computer will make use of that package and its dependencies. If you have different versions of a project on your machine, they will all use the globally installed package, which might break compatibility with other dependencies. To install Node modules so the package can be accessed by any application on the machine, which means they are installed globally, use the command npm install-g package name in the command line interface. It is the same command as the local install command, but adds the -g option. In this video, you learned that the package manager ensures a piece of software has the dependencies it needs to run correctly. NPM provides a command line interface tool and also functions as an online database of JavaScript packages. NPM uses the metadata in a package.json file to determine a package's dependencies. And a local install means only the application within the directory of the installed can access the package, whereas a global install means that any application on the machine can access the package.